Good morning, dear students. Now it is the time to understand about bank. So, in business studies, the very first chapter, bank transaction. In the bank transaction, we have to understand first what is bank. First of all, we have to understand the meaning of the bank. Then, which language is derived from, what are the meanings and what are the definitions they are providing us. So, these are all information we have to understand. Then we have to continue it. So, here the first question is, what is bank? The concept of bank is, the term bank is derived from Italian word banco or from a French word banque. Both mean a bench or money exchange table. Here, the word bank is derived from two languages. The first two languages is Italian, the second language is French. Which is the Italian word? Banco and French word banque. Both banco and banque both are given the same meaning. What is the same meaning there? Bench or money exchange table. Bank means what? Bench or money exchange table. This is the meaning of bank. Have you understand how many languages are? How many languages? How many words? We have to understand the word bank. The word bank is derived from two languages. The first one is Italian, banco, and French language, banque. Both word meaning given the same meaning, that is bench or money exchange table. Then you have to understand what are the banking. What is the meaning of banking? Just you have to understand later. Now it is understand to the brief information. A banking company may be defined as a company which transacts the business with finance. It accepts deposits from the public and lends it to those who need it in the form of loans. It receives money from those who want to save their money in the form of deposits and lends it to those who require in the form of loans. Just you understand, these are all importance of banks. What are the importance of banks are there? For what reason bank is very needable to us? Either business people or savings people or common people. So many categories people are there in our country. Those people, for what reason they needed? For what reason they needed? That is the important. The first important bank is a bank company may be defined as a company which transacts the business with finance. When they living in the society, they lead their life with the work. That work we have to consider as business. How to lead the business? With the help of finance. Finance means money. This is the first importance of bank. The second one, it means bank. It accepts deposits from the public and lends to it those who needed it in the form of loans. The public open their accounts in the bank and keep their money very safely. This is the second point. Then third one, who need much money as in the form of loan. So loan, deposits, each and everything, that is the functions, that actions created by the bank. That is the second one. The third important of bank is, it receives money from those who want to save their money in the form of deposits. If the person saving their money means he kept some of the money in the bank, means that is considered as deposit. But some of the persons wants money for the purpose of business, that is the form of loan. That is the two different meaning are there. Loan is different, deposit is different. Loan is means the person wants to money or needs to money. That is the form of the loan. But deposit means who having a much money, he keeps safely in the bank in their account. That is considered as deposit. That is the importance. So these are the importance of bank. The next one is there banking. What is the banking? What is the banking? Here banking means who require in the form of loans. Yes, the service of banks are called banking. The very simple definition. What is the meaning of banking? Banking means the service of banks are called banking. Which services there? Deposit services are there. Loan, providing the loan services are there. Providing debit card, credit card, ATM facilities. These are all services. These services offered by the banks, that action is considered as banking. What is banking? Have you understand? The next one. A bank repays the deposits in the form of checks, drafts, or in some other forms. We have to write some of the checks and drafts and in some other forms. Some other form means debit card, using the debit cards and credit cards, like that. Those are some other forms. So these are the importance of bank. In this topic we have to understand what is bank. The second one, what are the importance of bank. The third one, what is banking. So these three questions answer we have to understand. In the next point we have to understand the characteristics of banks. Character, in your final examination, they will be asked a different type of words. Instead of character, they used features, natures. What are the natures of bank? Write these points. What are the character of banks? Write these. What are the features of bank? Write these. Have you understand? But characteristics has two different words. One is nature and one more is features. What are the features of banks? What are the natures of bank? What are the characters of bank? Those questions you should be answer the same answer. Okay now? The very first one, dealing with money. Which one is very important in bank? Money is the very important thing. That's why dealing with money is the first character of bank. The second one, individual, firm, company. For what purpose? For what purpose bank is very helpful to mankind? For the purpose of individual, personal loans or firm. They are creating firms or company. This purpose they are maintaining the money or maintaining the business. So that is the second character. The third one, acceptance of deposits. We already understand what is the meaning of deposit, what is the meaning of loan, what is the meaning of banking. So those are acceptance. Who are having enough money, they are opening their account in the bank and they are deposited their money for the purpose of safetyness. So this is the acceptance of deposit. Lending loans. Lending loans means banks advance loans to industrial sector, agriculture sector, education, house construction and for other purposes. For what purpose banks are lending money, lending loans? The purpose of industrial sector, the purpose of agricultural sector, the purpose of education, the purpose of house construction. These are all purposes. That purpose they are lending money or loans. The next one, fifth one, payment and withdrawal. We already understand banks facilitate the customers to withdraw their deposits in the form of checks or drafts. How do we have to withdraw money? With the help of check or withdrawal form. And we have to payment. We have to payment to the bank with our bank passbook. Yes, or online transaction. These are very helpful to payment and withdrawal. This is the fifth character. This is the fifth character of bank. The next one, agency and utility services. What is the meaning here? Banks provide various banking facilities to its customers. They included general utility services and agency services. That means if a person wants some money, he lending the loans. And if a person having enough money, they are given the accounts, offering the accounts to open account and deposit their money. This is the sixth character. That's why it is the agency to receive and issue the money. This is the agency. And utility services. This is the sixth character. The next seventh one, profit and service orientation. Profit and service orientation means a bank is profit seeking institution having service oriented approach. That means who having enough money, bank supports to him. Who lending loans, the bank also supports to him. That means it is the orientation. It is the service orientation. That means service orientation means backbone. Bank is the backbone of every person, common person or business person. The next one is that ever increasing functions. Every year the bank functions are very different, changing them. This year they are providing SMS to the phone, cell phones and credit card and debit cards, each and everything. The next year they will be changed totally. Without card we have to withdraw money from the ATM. Is it possible? Yes, possible. Why? Because internet or technology, like that the technology, science and technology they are using and they are providing like these services. So these are all so it is considered as one of the increasing functions. The next one is connecting link. If a person in a very stagnant situation, he needs to money in that particular place, but he doesn't having any kind of banks are there, so he must have the money in a particular regional area. So we have different kinds of connecting links are there, connecting offering links are there. Nowadays we are transaction money from the cell to cell. Yes, so it is a connecting link. Then the 10th point is there, banking business. We have to deposit some of the money for the purpose of business. So banking business also is one of the character of bank. The last one is we have to identify name identity. Which are the famous bank at present? At present we have to know some of the very few banks. The very first one is Canara Bank, Vijaya Bank, Corporation Bank, State Bank of India, State Bank of Mysore. These are all banks. In that bank, some of the private banks are there, some of the government banks. So these are all banks. Nowadays, just you have to one thing you have to understand. Nowadays, which banks are working under the government section, those are all merged with State Bank of India, SBI. What stands for SBI? State Bank of India. Which banks, which government banks under the work of which banks work under the work of government? Those government banks merged with the State Bank of India. So these are the characters of bank. In the next period, we have to continue this topic. Thank you.